Hey, my name is Alex and I'm a research student at the Chair of Information Systems and Databases at the RWTH Aachen University. In this tutorial, you will learn how to build a simple chatbot using our social bot framework. So we start here on the landing page of the social bot framework, and we can already select our fitting namespace we would work at, and we could share this to other team members and work collaboratively together. Let us move on to the modeling page, and I will start explaining the different UI elements. On the left side, we have the canvas widget, where we can see our current bot model, which is empty right now. Right next to it, we have the palette widget with all the elements we can use to model our bot. In this tutorial, we only stick to the basic elements, and we can add these elements by selecting them and placing them into the canvas. I will start with the instance widget, where we have to provide some general information. On the right side, we can see the available attributes and can fill some values. So I start with hello bot, and we should also provide some kind of backend address for the bot framework. If you want to know how to get this address, watch our other videos about the installation process. For the moment, we are using this address here, and we don't need to provide an environment separator for this model. Now, we put the bot element into the canvas, and then we can use the has arrow to connect the bot with the instance. For the bot, we have to provide some information like the name. In this case, we name it HelloBot. This is the name which is used by the backend service to communicate with other services. With the knowledge element, we provide the bot with NLU knowledge. Therefore, we're using Rasa. So here, we have to provide the endpoint of the Rasa NLU server. Where to get this information here is also covered in the installation process. Or you could just ask the admin who is hosting the framework. Now we can move on and model the NLU intents and entities. Therefore, we switch the editor and select the NLU model training helper. Here we can provide several intents. In this case, we start with a greeting intent. Every time we greet a bot, this should be recognized as a greeting, and we want that the bot should answer with some greetings back. And here we have to provide some example sentences for this scenario. And we should also provide at least 3 sentences to make the NLU model work properly. If you want to know how to do more complex recognitions, have a look at the Rasa documentation. So let us provide another intent. When we end the conversation and say bye, the bot should also recognize this as the end of the conversation and provide something like bye back to us. We give here some examples, and this should be basically it. At the bottom of this editor, we have to provide again the NLU endpoint and the backend service address to submit the NLU model. The training has been started and we can check the training status. And for this basic example, it should just take a few seconds or minutes and it should be finished. So let us wait a few seconds and see if it was successful. As we can see here that the training was successful, we could move back to the modeling area. And only a few steps are left, then we are done. So we continue with the messenger element. Therefore, we select a messenger of our choice. In this example, we stick to RocketChat. And there we have to provide the authentication information of our bot. So I would quickly enter this credentials here. Every messenger has their own behavior. But they have tutorials on how to create a bot on their platform. And the bot has also this messenger information. So therefore we're connecting these elements. Every time now we get a message, the messenger generates an incoming message for us. If it is an intent greeting, the bot should react with a chat response that says "Hello world." This incoming message should trigger this response, and this is basically it for our bot model. We can submit it to our backend service, and in a few seconds we should also get here a response with a message if it was successful or not. Here we can see that the bot was successful, and it should be now available in our RocketChat instance. So I quickly move to the RocketChat, and here I've already selected Hello Bot. And if I now write hello to the bot directly responds with Hello World. And this is it. Feel free to try it out yourself, or stay tuned for other tutorial videos. More information is in the description below.